I'm back making another riding video, as you guys probably expected. As you can see, Yamaha's up on jack stands, and the two tires are sitting right there, and the two front tires for the Honda are still on there, and there's a Yamaha hub piece from that one. There's two more over there somewhere. But the reason for that is because I tried to put these on here. Well, yeah, I tried to put that one on there, and I got it up on the brake, and I didn't know that, and it got stuck. But as you can see, it's raining. But also, we lost one of the chickens, unfortunately. Goldie, rest in peace. I think 2020 to 2023. Ow! I just drove over the impact gun. Whoops. Okay, now we're gonna just drive up to the road, or to the top of the road. Oh, it's so slippy today. As that shows right there. It is omega slippery today. Hopefully my camera doesn't get too much water on it. Yeah, no, it's so slow now. It's got these 25s on it. Oh, and it rides weird. Honestly, though, it looks better. I don't know if it's just because of these tires or what, but whenever I drive this thing with the Yamaha wheels and tires at a high speed, it sounds like the Yamaha. These are supposed to be 5 foot apart. I'm 6 foot, so if it's close enough, it's close enough. But, I'm probably gonna go run some wheelies, do some stuff like we usually do in these videos. You know, like, these tires slip so much, like, it ain't even funny. Oh, God. That absolutely sucked. I'm like standing straight up right now. Just ripping wheelies. Also just casually ripping donuts apparently. Woo. These tires are so slick. Oh. Don't ask why that hurt. It's so sketchy doing that. I know some people will be like, dude, why, how's it sketchy? Like, literally, all you're doing is just going down a hill. This thing's tires are inside out, okay? Yeah, no, it just started spinning right there. That is the longest wheelie, though, I've ever done on this four-wheeler. You know, like it just catches traction, but it also loses traction. And we'll try to do one from all the way down here. Ow! Anyways. Oh! I feel like since I got these tires on this thing, they just act different. What are you doing, boy? Oh yeah, no, I literally just spun right there. Let's see if we spin right here. Nope. Slowest wheelie. That was all the way down into neutral. Just neutral rolling at that point. I'm literally standing on my tippy toes right now. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Oh yeah, there's the crime scene. Ooh, there are no animals harmed in this video. There are not animals harmed in the making of this video. But however, there is an animal lost in this video. Well, not really, because I'm not showing it, so. Okay, so that's what you gotta do, okay. Uh-oh. How are these wheels and tires holding up? Oh yeah, they're holding up good. What you doing, old son? He's still over there. He's on the roost. That is my mom, by the way. For anybody who is wondering. Oh, but don't kill me. You're in this video. I don't even know if my mom's subscribed to me. Hopefully she's not. This is a problem. The fact this whole like thing, I can feel it moving. Yeah, like that. Like scares me because that's loose. So it scares me. but probably do a few more. Actually, man, did not like going over that fast. Oh, I don't care what it likes. Upshift and pop it. Ugh. My grandparents are seeing this. Don't kill me, please. I'm literally just keeping these tires on here for one video. Well, technically two, because I already made one last night. Don't be scared, homeboy. Don't be scared! That's my neighbor's chicken. Who? Whoa, God! Whew. Almost lost her right there. Holy crap, that was sketchy. Well, this is probably gonna be where I end this video off at. So if you guys did enjoy, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video.